Station. Dawn Park Station located right next to Dawn Forest Park. So it is surrounded by many trees. Opened in 2013. Now we're at a special space. As you see, we have many children and adults here. And the special design chair and the cute sculpture here can let everybody having their time here. Not only children but also adults to relax and play. Let's go see a sculpture. This is a frog style sculpture and this is another one. Here you can see there are many waters and we call it water dam here. By the time the Dawn Park will have this kind of special design. That is pretty cute. As you see, Dawn Park Station has many beautiful artwork right here. It can bring us a different feeling about a multi-station. Thank you for your listening. Come to visit Dawn Park when you have time. Bye bye.